Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're diving into a super cute and fresh floral nail art look that's perfect for spring. And the best part is that we're doing it with reverse stamping technique, which is one of my favorites. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I prep my nails with alcohol just to make sure that the nail plate is completely clean and the base coat adhere properly. Then I added another coat of a rich feeling base coat that also has a little bit of color to give this neutral background. So for the base, I'm applying this beautiful shimmery top coat. This is from Hansen, and it's not going to be fully opaque because it's a top coat, so you're supposed to see what's underneath that color. So I'm just applying 2 coats to give it a little bit of sparkly background. And then for the floral pattern, I picked this springy design from one of these Chic stamping plates. You can go bold or delicate here, whatever suits your mood. I love how versatile reverse stamping is, and you will see why in a second. So here I'm just coloring the image. This is a really fun part for me. It's really like meditation to paint these little canvases. I'm picking up the image with my stamping, and instead of transferring it right away, I'm coloring with regular polishes. So this is also a great opportunity to use those polishes that you rarely touch, but they could look great in these designs. So you don't need special paints for this, just a steady hand and a little patience because it might take a while. And I like to use a tiny dotting tool or even a toothpick to get into the small details, but it's better if the tip of the dotting tool is a little bit rounded so you don't damage your stamper. So once the design is completely dry on the stamper, you can gently press the image onto the nail, but if your base color is too dry, it won't transfer properly. So I've applied 1 coat of the sticky base coat or lip bonder, and that will make your nail a little bit stickier so the image can transfer properly. So don't worry if it's not perfect, you can go abstract here. In this case, I just wanted to do my 2 nails almost completely covered with the pattern and the other 2 just with a tiny flower here. So clean up the edges with a brush dip in polish remover and then seal everything with a glossy top coat. I kind of wanted to see how it will look like with matte top coat, but I didn't experiment this time. But the top coat really brings everything together and gives the design that smooth and professional finish. And here's the final look. I really enjoy how this turned out. It was really fun to do them as well. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to spring nail color. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!